everybody, it is Skull versus Games here, and today I am playing Stick RPG 2. Now, let's get started in the video. Today, I don't know what we are doing, but we are doing something. So it's night. What do we do at night? Of course, we run. Oh yeah, I was trying to solve the chainsaw game. Oh, dang it. Ah, crap. Ah, crap. And you see, that's why you don't mess with people like that. I still have lots of cakes from the live stream if you guys didn't watch that. And I know you guys didn't hear me, but yeah. Wait, give me 1 second. I have to check something. I think it's working. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, just check that. Now these guys are on a fight. I love that music. I love the music of them dying. Yay! And yeah. So we just fought them. What do? We look for the other West Side gangsters. We're gonna kill them. Boom! See there? Those are there. Yeah. There's some over here. You gonna die. You gonna die. You gonna die. And you gonna die. Done. Got chicken wings. You won't fight. Dang it! Wrong one. But still, I did it. Okay, so now we're gonna run over here. So there's some more. I got ice cream. Anybody else that wants to fight? Because I would love to fight more. And guys, in the comments, if you can you please tell me how to get the Gangster HQ key? Because all I have is chicken wings. Oh, I can buy some cocoa and give it to the police and get karma. But we don't need that. Wait, what the heck is this? Oh. Well dang. It's illegal. Now we're gonna keep running, just keep. Ooh! Hey, Mobstars. Let's fight. Crap! Wrong one. Wrong one. Stop shooting me with that shotgun. And you, stop shooting me with that pistol. Ooh, we got that. Now we're gonna save. Gonna look for people to fight. Now we need to get our health up. And yes, I have that. Ooh, another mobster. I clicked on the wrong stick, man. Or did I? If I could, and can you guys help me solve the murder case in here? I've only beat one person, and that was this guy, but he came back. And that's why they kept beating me, because I was not that good at fighting. I gotta click on him before he kills me. Yeah, how do you use this chainsaw? I'm not good with chainsaws. Oh my goodness. That's why I bought so many angel food cakes. No! Let's not fight, man. Let's not fight. I don't want to fight you. I don't want to fight you. I don't want to fight. Do we have to fight? Do we have to fight, man? Can we just be friends? Can we just be friends, man? Yeah. I just want to be friends. Get him away. Get him away. Get him away now. Get away. Get away. Get away now. I'm sorry. I have. Oh. You don't want to fight him. That guy's way too hard. Oh, I have enough for the ice cream taster. I'm very lucky. But I'm not done. Hey, what up? Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. Yeah, man. Whoa! Oh, I only got 2 hits on him. 3. I wonder how long it takes to kill a stick. 4. I'm not good at with the chainsaw. Dang it! See, guys, I'm not that good. And yeah, I have the 770 SCC chainsaw. And I'm still not that good. I'm not good with the chainsaw. Like, I don't know. How about we fight you? Okay. How about I'm just gonna try to kill you? Oh my goodness, I'm clicking fast. Come on, Stickman, click! I killed him. Yeah, yeah. I was just clicking. Yeah, yeah. Who else wants to fight? It's only 3 of you. And 1 of me. I'll totally win this. Not because I just, you know, I'm never gonna win. I never can beat this guy. Ooh. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's going to kill me. He's going to kill me. I already know that. Look, he only got me to 34 HP. And he's gonna kill me. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead now. I'm gonna die. No way. No way, guys. Oh. I'm gonna fight myself. Chainsaw, let's fight, man. Okay, I'm gonna lose. Shoot, he's already got me down. He's already got me. Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Guys. What? I just killed him, though. I just killed you. Yeah. I guess we're gonna have to fight Max, then. Max Payne. He's gonna kill me. Cause, like, if he's better than that one guy, like, I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, he's gonna kill me. He's already got me down. He keeps getting hits though. Yeah, I'm dead. I only got 1 HP. He's gonna see. I told you I was dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back when I'm done fighting them. Okay, guys, I fought him again, but he's not disappearing. So yeah, guys, I hope you had a good episode. Like, everybody, this is gonna be the end. So yeah, everybody, Chainsaw Massacre just happened. So yeah, everybody, bye.